This video demonstrates 5 other cool features of Core Focus CFX. First of all, CFX can alert you when you go over budget or enter unbudgeted time. To show this, open a job and add time so that the job is over budget. Enter the date, the activity type, and the duration. If we now go to activities for this job, we can see the task for exceeded budget. This task will appear on the Outlook to-do list for the manager of the job. The system could also send him an email instead of creating a task. The next thing I will show is how CFX can record time for CRM activities. By going to the workplace and creating a new activity, fill in the subject, and the description. Attach it to a job. Then enter the duration and the due date. Now mark as complete. Go to Core Focus CFX. Here we can see the consultancy on your timesheet for the job and the due date of the task. CFX can also generate recurring fees. Open a job. If we scroll down to view the automatic fee generation, this allows you to control the fee amount and the date range for the fee generation. The CRM workflow engine is used to generate fees with a set frequency based on these criteria. For this job, the fees are generated monthly. If we go to the fees view, you can see that 3 fees have been created for these last 3 months. CFX can invoice fixed price jobs based on the budgets. Go to CFX Jobs and open a job. Under Additional Details, we can see Fixed Price Billing section. Invoice budgets is set to Until Complete, so will not be processed until 100% of the budgets are invoiced. Percent to invoice is set to 25%. The next invoice will include 25% of the budgets for this job. This allows you to invoice a fixed price job over several stages. Percentage invoice shows how much of the budgets have been invoiced already. Here we can see the time budgets for this job. These will be used to calculate the invoice amounts. Go back to Jobs and Invoice Runs. Here we can see an invoice for this job. These are the invoices. These products on the invoices correspond to 25% of the budget. Finally, CFX can provide minimum charges. I can show this by opening a job. This must have time budgets. Here the consultancy budget is set to a minimum of 10 hours. Even though 8 hours have been used, 10 hours can only be invoiced. By creating an invoice run to include this job, it will show that 10 hours of consultancy have been included. Please take a look at our other demos to find out more information and features of Core Focus CFX.